10 amazing years. Happy anniversary to us.
Live happy, fun-loving, and carefree.
It's hard to believe, but we started this channel exactly 10 years ago. And I thank you so much for being a subscriber, for thumbing up the videos, for posting comments, for sharing with your family and your friends. It means absolutely so much to us. And looking back, you know, why the heck did we even start this channel? Back in late 2009, in December, I actually went to a book signing. My book and Gary Vaynerchuk's Crush It book were coming out at the same time. And I met and hung out with Gary at a book signing, and we became friends at that time. And I've got an interesting thing, so hang on till the end because you're not going to want to miss this surprise. But that's how I started the channel, is because of Gary and Crush It and my book being out. We were living on our sailboat, and I launched this channel 10 years ago. And at that moment in time, the goal was to use this channel to get people to my website so that they would see my book and, you know, and things like that. And it only took a few months to realize that it was better to do things the other way, that YouTube is where things were happening. So I flipped things around, and that's the journey of life with being happy, fun-loving, and carefree, is to do things, to just jump in with both feet and figure it out as you go, because the journey of life takes crazy paths, and you can sit there and think and plan and think and plan and try to get everything set up perfect, but until you jump in and start doing stuff, you just have no idea which direction you're going to end up in. I mean, I started the channel with the goal of getting traffic from YouTube to my website, and within months I'm like, hey, light bulbs going off. YouTube is gonna be huge, so let's get people and let's grow our YouTube channel. And if I hadn't have started, if I hadn't have made the channel, you know, with one goal in mind, I would have never developed the knowledge and information to realize to, you know, do things the other way. And that is life. The road is paved with flat squirrels that couldn't make a decision. So please just make a decision with your life. Live happy, live fun-loving, and live carefree. Whether, you know, you're in a New York City apartment, whether you're living on your sailboat like we did for 9 years, whether you're living in the country, the point is to just for you to do what makes you happy. And it really can be done. And it doesn't matter what your education is. It doesn't matter, you know, where you've grown up, what your family is like. You know, you have to get out of that mindset of doing what's expected of you and doing things following the plan of our society and just being another cog in the wheel. And that's what I learned by starting this channel. And again, it's so amazing that we have, right now we have 16,600 and something subscribers. 3 years ago, when I did the anniversary video, we were just crossing the 10,000 subscriber line. And that is what is so truly, truly amazing. And it's just, you just never know what's going to happen. So I really, really want you to follow your dream, follow your passion. And it's just, you know, live your life. I've got a big beard. I got a long ponytail. You know, a lot of people say, hey, that's kind of goofy, you know, but that's me. I've always marched to the beat of a different drummer ever since I was a little kid. My whole life has always been about sharing how you can do what you want to do when you want to do it. I don't want you to be deferring life until some point down the road when you get old like I am. Enjoy life today. And that's just what is so amazing about the time that we're living in with the internet and things, that I can put up a video on YouTube and you could be in the United States, in Canada, in Germany, in Japan, in England, in Nigeria, in Australia, New Zealand, and you can watch this video. It just blows my mind that we have that ability today. There's just so much knowledge available, and you can do what you want to do when you want to do it. And Gary Vaynerchuk has talked about that, following your passion, doing what you want to do. Again, I've talked about it since I was a little bitty kid, and it confused the heck out of my family. What the heck is Rob up to? So, and again, this channel, it just blows my mind. I truly am thankful for you being here, for you watching the videos, that you've subscribed. Again, you like, I enjoy, I read all the comments. I really try to answer every one, even if it's on an older video from years ago. I try to keep up with it. I apologize if I do miss one or two, but I read everything I can. I really try to reply so that you know that I've seen your comments, and I get such amazing thank yous from people, from you're doing exactly what I want to do, people sharing their stories in the comments of the things that they're doing, which gives me ideas too. So I just love that interaction. Comments are a wonderful thing here on the platform for us to engage with each other. And you watching more videos, it's just super great. So the thing that I want to talk about here, this is the kind of the surprisey thing that I mentioned, so hang on. Got to bend over because it's wet out here today. So this is the book that I wrote 10 years ago, and I have a few extra copies of this. So if you want one, let me know in the comment and I'll ping you so we can get your address. And then this is the really cool part. Hang on. Is these are real photographs. I had them made up. I mean, they're genuine photographs. They're on real photo paper. They're not computer printout copies. And Gary and I signed them. They're hand signed by Gary and me. So you can, each one is a little bit different because they're real signatures. So I'll send out 2 of these because I want to keep one for myself. And again, those are 10 years old. They were signed 10 years ago. So if you're interested in a photo, say, photo in the comments. If you're interested in a book, say book, and I'll send it out to you, no charge. We'll just have to get your address. I can only do a couple of each, 2 photos, and I'll do like 3 books. So let me know, and make sure you're subscribed, and so you don't miss anything, and watch another video. And again, I am truly, truly thankful for you, for being a friend, for watching the videos and sharing them with your family and friends, and this amazing, amazing time that we're living in, to be happy, fun-loving, and carefree.